Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet in a Vitamix. Making delicious, healthy sorbet at home is surprisingly simple with this powerful blender. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to achieving that perfect, smooth texture. Get ready to enjoy a delightful frozen treat in just a few minutes. It's a fantastic way to use up ripe fruit and create a refreshing dessert for any occasion. For your sorbet, start with about 4 cups of thoroughly frozen fruit. Berries, mango, and pineapple work wonderfully. Next, add a small amount of liquid, around 1/4 cup. This helps the blending process. You can use water, fruit juice, or even a splash of plant-based milk. Finally, sweeten to your preference with 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey, maple syrup, or sugar. Begin by adding your liquid and sweetener to the Vitamix container, followed by the frozen fruit. Secure the lid and remove the lid plug. Start the blender on its lowest speed, then quickly increase to the highest setting. Use the tamper to continuously push the frozen fruit down into the blades. Keep blending for about 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture becomes thick and smooth, resembling soft-serve ice cream. Your delicious sorbet is ready to enjoy right away, offering a delightful soft-serve consistency. If you prefer a firmer texture, simply transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for about 30 minutes. Don't hesitate to get creative with your flavors. Try combining different fruits or even adding a hint of fresh mint or basil for an extra special touch. Enjoy your homemade, healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.